how to download and install APK files on your iPhone. And I will let you know that is it even possible. All right. So when I go to my files, as you can see, I have a bunch of APK files on my iPhone. So the first thing is that you can download APK files on your iPhone. As you can see, APK. You can download APK files on your iPhone. So if you ask me how you can download it, just go to your Safari or any other browser and search the name and APK on the end. You will find the files everywhere. So you can download the files. See? So, but however, when you click the files, clicked on the files, nothing pops up. As you can see, nothing. However, if you check this on an Android, and as you can see, let me show you an APK files. So if you click here, there will be an install button. So if you tap here, this APK file will install. So it works perfectly on an Android, but it doesn't work on an iPhone. So as you can see, it shows like this. The reason behind this is APK files runs on JavaScript, and unfortunately JavaScript, your iPhone doesn't support JavaScript. That's the reason you cannot install APK files on your iPhone. However, on your Android, it's pretty simple because Android supports JavaScript, and you can simply download an APK file from the browser and install it. But on your iPhone, that's not possible. You cannot install APK files because iPhone doesn't support JavaScript, and this is a problem. So when you tap here, nothing happens. But there are ways you can install APK files. The first way is to install Android on your iPhone. So if you spend like $500 to $600, and if you want to install Android, then you will have to jailbreak your iPhone. This is a totally different story. However, I won't recommend you to do that because this will basically destroy your phone. Your phone will be useless. So if you want to install APK files, just buy a cheap Android and this will do the job perfectly. All right. So if you want to install APK on your iPhone, then I'm sorry, that's not possible. I hope you got your answer. I know you are disappointed, but trust me, you will save a lot of time if you accept the truth. Thanks for watching and have a great day.